In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change AutoCAD language. We'll walk through downloading the correct language pack from your Autodesk account, installing it, and launching AutoCAD in that new language. These steps apply to Windows installations and use Autodesk's official language packs, so you don't need to reinstall the full program. Start by signing in to your Autodesk account in a web browser. Make sure your internet connection is stable, since you'll be downloading a file, and confirm you are using the account associated with your AutoCAD license. If your organization manages licenses, you may need access to the product under that account to see the necessary options. Once you are in, go to All Products and Services. Find your AutoCAD product in the list, then click View Details. This page shows version information, available downloads, and other resources tied to your license. Taking a moment to verify the exact AutoCAD version you have installed is helpful here, because language packs are version specific. Next, open the Languages tab on that product page. From the list, select the language you want to use. Double-check that the language pack matches your installed AutoCAD year and edition. When you are sure, start the download and let it complete fully before continuing. The file size can be significant, so patience pays off. Saving it somewhere easy to find, like your Downloads or Desktop folder, will make the next step smoother. Before installing, close AutoCAD if it's running. This prevents file conflicts during setup. Then, run the downloaded language pack installer. If Windows prompts you for permission, allow it and follow the on-screen instructions. The installer will add the new language resources to your existing AutoCAD installation without changing your current settings or customizations. When the installer finishes, you don't need to relaunch AutoCAD just yet. To start AutoCAD in the new language, open the Windows Start menu. Find the AutoCAD folder, and look for the shortcut labeled with the language you just installed. Select that shortcut to launch AutoCAD with the updated interface. If you plan to use this language regularly, right-click the shortcut to pin it to Start or your taskbar for faster access next time. If you ever want to switch back, simply use the original AutoCAD shortcut in the same folder. That's it. Thanks for watching.